Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung device and let me share with you how to apply the photo to the background of the music, brightness and the icons. So you need to start with making sure that you've got a specific app which is called Good Look. It's free of charge, you can find it in the Google Play Store or Galaxy Store, so just download it and enter it. So now we will start with the plugins. So all you need to do here is to scroll down and localize the option Quick Start. Download it, you will have this download icon next to it and then tap on it. Of course you will need to turn it on and then tap on Edit Panel Style. So as you can see in this panel we can change or we can apply the photos to the media player, brightness, volume. So let's simply do it. Let me choose, maybe let's start with the brightness. I think for the brightness I will use this photo. Basically you will be just transferred to your own gallery. You can choose something from those options and you can apply the image by simply applying it as it is, or you can crop the picture. So I think I will choose cropping because I will just pick this gradient option right here. Maybe with with the mountains, so something like that, and tap on done. As you can see, it has been immediately applied, so all we need to do now is to unroll the upper panel, and as you can see right here we've got our photo applied. Obviously the colors are a little bit I would say pastel-like, but you can still see the colors here. Alright, same for example media player. Let me tap on it and for media player I will choose, I'm not really sure which one, maybe the Fox. So just tap on it, I will also crop it, I will choose something like that and tap on done. Here we've got our media player applied and as you can see we've got our Fox here. Obviously in my case the media player is quite small, so let me quickly enlarge it so we will be able to fully see the, and we are not. We will be able to fully see the photo. We should be able to see. Probably it will expand if I will really play the music itself. But the photo is applied. Same with the volume. So just tap on it. I will pick maybe the bird. So just tap on it. I will crop it again. I think I just want to use something like that. Tap on done. And as you can see, the bird is right here. Obviously, it is not cropped in a good position, so we can change it. So just tap on change here, tap on crop, and now let me just kind of crop it like here, so we will be able to see. So it should be right in the middle, right? So we should be able to see the head, and here we've got something like that. Obviously you can frame it just like you want to. I also highly recommend to come up with a good theme and try to apply different photos in different sections, and they, you know, together they will simply create something really nice. Moreover, which is also quite interesting, is that you can not only change the, for example, media player, but also the buttons. So the buttons, I mean, like for example the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data, etc. So those buttons also can be customized. For example, let me choose the Wi-Fi. As you can see here we've got our the generated Wi-Fi option, so let me tap on it. I will crop it again and now let me choose something like that and tap on done. Now we can unroll the upper panel, and as you can see here we've got our Wi-Fi icon applied. I mean the photo of the Wi-Fi applied, which is really nice. Of course you do not really need to use the images. You can, for example, use the image of the text if you want to. So it's completely up to you. The sky is the limit right here. I really highly recommend to customize it. It makes your device feels more yours. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.